$462, one item, 1 hour. This is what I want to show you step by step how I did this, and if you will follow those steps you can make whatever numbers you want. It's very simple, guys. Let me show you the process from the scratch. All right, so you found a good item on Amazon, because what I do is I do the most secure dropshipping in the world, which is Amazon to eBay. You source from Amazon, 100% guarantee you're not gonna lose any money, because Amazon will always gonna take care about your issues if you have any issues at all with the eBay's customer. Okay, so that's why we used to source good products on Amazon. In this case, I got this trolley bolly, or whatever you call it, trailer dolly. And as you see, the market said already it's 4.5 star, which means I don't have to guess is it a good product or it's maybe good product. The market said already this is a nice product. Okay, the ratings are pretty good here. So I took this product for 50 bucks here, and I sold it on eBay for 90. Okay, 20 views per day, 18 sold already. So of course I cover here because I want to share with you not exactly the product. You have to now jump into that product and ship it and list it, but just the system, how it works. And you can do the same. You can do the same with your products, whatever products they are, as far as they are good products on Amazon. Okay, that's one of the main reasons, good products. Okay, so here is the steps what I did. Okay, so now let me show you a little bit here what it means. It means like here you see the 90. I sold for 90, right? On Amazon it's 50. So here is, if you take from 50, from 90, 15% in the fees, it's about 15 roughly. So it's plus minus there. But just for easy math, we can do this. It's kind of like $76, and then you take this off, and this is the profit here. You make some little bit, I would say, nice profit for doing Amazon eBay dropshipping, right? So if you can do this 18 times, all right, you earn 462. And by doing this, by creating the product listing, it takes 1 hour. So you work 1 hour. You don't need to work every time you release the product, or just send the product away. You don't just work every day 1 hour on this. You did your job 1 hour. Okay, the proper job. I will gonna explain to you in a few minutes how to do this. Okay, and you get paid again and again and again and again. So you work on your listing once, good job done once, and your listing will gonna work for you again and again and again. It's the same. It's the same applies to the listings you do sometimes poor job, because not all of the listings what I'm listed out there, they are selling. Some of the listings, well, I just, life is life. You do them, they are not selling, right? So they cannot sell for you again and again. But okay, let's jump us straight away back here, and I explain to you what you need to do here. So here's the steps. Here are the steps. How to do this in 1 hour. First, you have to find the right product for your account. What I mean, the right product for your account, I mean that my account standing, you see, I covered, of course, here. I have a history here. Okay, this product for my account is the right product for my account because of my seller's performance on that account before, because of what items I used to sell on my account. Okay, I have kind of like portfolio built up on eBay. Okay, so this is for you. This product might not be so good selling product as it is on my account, just because it matters if you have only 20 feedback, or you have, let's say here you say I have 99.6, which is pretty good for the feedback score what I got there, over 6,000 feedback score. Okay, so but for, let's say you have a 15 feedbacks, you are just starting out, this product wouldn't be the best product for you to do such kind of like transactions. You have to find the right product for your account. Okay, so different levels of performance. There is a different products you can sell in a way that they are selling fast. Okay, so this is all what have to be considered when you choose the products. Now, next one, create a picture that causes audience to click on. Okay, if you will go around the eBay, you will gonna see the most sellers using the same picture. Okay, they use the same picture. So my picture here is very different from everybody else's picture, because when my picture, it's not always recommended, just a side note here, it's not always recommended to put the free 2-day shipping. Uh, it was okay last year and even the beginning of this year, but it's not really recommended now unless you really have a reason for this. For this here, I have a reason to do this. Okay, I will not gonna go in the details about the reason. I'm just wanted to make the side note. Do not do this like a standard. Okay, so for some cases it's good, for some cases it's not good at all. Okay, I have a special video where I explain why it is and why it's not. Okay, so but the pictures, you see, I put kind of like this item into the action here. Okay, so anyway, this picture, when it comes against those pictures, my picture is different. Okay, so it kind of like causes the curiosity for the buyer or for the eBay's customer to click on it. So that's the very important thing, because when they click on it, they will gonna go inside there and take a look what's inside there. Okay, which will gonna be the number 5 here. We create appealing description. Okay, because it matters what you write inside. I don't have description. I don't want to show you my description, because I do very specific descriptions based for each product. I do not use just copy and paste Amazon's descriptions. We use very, very specific descriptions. It's all in my trainings when I teach students how to do specific descriptions, because we trigger the customers at kind of like, how to say this, actions we cause them to proceed with our item. Okay, because into description what we put there, we put the returns policy, which is number 6. And when they read the returns policy that captures their audience attention, they say, hey, there is no way I have to buy it. Okay, kind of like this, because we never ever ask customer to cover, or they would gonna be kind of like there is no risk on the table for customer. That's the bottom line. Okay, I know there is a different teachings out there about well, the customer who pays the returns, buyer or seller. We don't do this. We don't do this, because you see, you don't want to be treated like that. Let's say if you would be the eBay buyer, if you want to go to buy something on eBay, you would be the best way how you would engage with those sellers who provides for you 100% risk-free deal, right? So keep that in mind when you do your own sellings, your own listings. That's why we are paying so much attention even on a returns policy, which we put in the site in the description, which is eventually by the end of the day makes us selling our items very, very well. Okay, and also we create unique item specifics. Okay, so again, item specifics I don't have here. We don't use those items kind of like bullet points here. We use them as a basis to create our own, because the secret here is the eBay audience, which is the buyer, they don't care about the bullet points. What they care about is benefits. Okay, if you just replace one word, okay, if you replace that word, let's say bullet points or specifics or details, if you replace that word with one magic word and put there benefits for you, you can use 3 words if you want, but if you put just one word, benefits, okay, and then you fill up the benefits what they have. Okay, and some of those things, if you put them into description, what will going to happen, eBay will recognize you as authentic product seller, which means you are not as the same like everybody else, right? So, and And when you put the benefits, there is a totally different meaning. So all this, I don't want to go into the detail. I just wanted to go through those points. You can think about themselves how to do this. Okay. Also, I skipped here a little bit the number 3, create a catching title for eBay and eBay's audience. And the point here is title is for the eBay's algorithm, and title is for the eBay's audience. You do not create title only for audience alone, but the title is fully created for eBay's algorithm to catch you on their radar. Okay, because you have to load and make with the keywords rich title there. So that's a critical point there. And speaking about the keywords, the create keywords to rank on the top page always. I have another free video here in my YouTube channel, even what's the difference actually between high ranking keywords and to be ranked low, because you have too hard competition there for high ranking keywords, or you choose a little bit less ranking keywords but you rank high, which gives you more possibility to sell and make daily sales. So that's a huge difference, and it has been proven hundreds of times with my students, because this is what I teach in my 799 training program. So it all takes, guys, about 1 hour. It takes about 1 hour, literally. It takes about 1 hour to create your nice listing. Well, let's say in beginning maybe 2 hours, because you have to use the same like car driving. At first it takes a little bit longer time to use to it, and then you pretty soon you are very familiar with this and you do the magics on the road. Okay, so it's the same here. You work 1 hour and you earn consistently. This is what you can do with your own products if you do in a certain way. And the certain way is the magic word here, if you noticed already, is I do not copy paste, but what we do here is, this is what I teach in 799. We create everything. We create. So in other words, we are not so much concerned about competition as we are about the creation. Let everybody else compete. We create. Everybody else is compete for the pennies. We create price. And you saw it probably here already. So this price is totally different. You can search around you will not gonna find me, because I'm not using those keywords here. Those keywords here, I'm not using them at all. But there is plenty of sellers who use those keywords here. They compete for the price. Sometimes they barely make a $1 or $2 out of the sale here. At the same time, I'm making $25 on the sale here, just because I work once on my listing and I earn consistently, because I position myself on a totally different place on eBay without any competition at all. If you want to do the same with all your products, I mean all your products, and trust me guys, you don't need hundreds of products to list there, because you don't need overloaded eBay. You need just some products to list there where you can make some sales every day, because you work once on your listing and let your listing work for you the rest of the time. Okay? Below this video there is a link on 799. If you will get into the 799, you will learn exactly step by step, including the products to list, including the price, for what price to list those products, and including how to go progressively, step by step. Over the shoulder videos are there. If you're interested in this system, how to create for your own account, below this video I will gonna see you inside the 799. All right, take care guys, and best luck. Bye bye.